this video, we will see how to set up WooCommerce in our WordPress store or e-commerce store. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. First, we need to log into our WordPress site. Next, in our WordPress dashboard, we need to click Plugins tab to search and add WooCommerce plugin if it is not already installed and activated. So let's search for WooCommerce plugin in plugin page and install and activate the plugin. Once we have activated it, we need to fill in certain information to set up the store, like where the store is located. Next, we need to add other information like products or services industry the store belongs to. Next, we need to select what type of products we intend to sell in the store. And again, we need to mention how many products we intend to display in our store. Next, we can connect if needed with Facebook to market products on it, contact customers through MailChimp with targeted campaigns, or drive sales with Google Ads here. Next, we can select one of the e-commerce themes from this list here or skip it. Next, we can set up Jetpack plugin for WooCommerce to manage our store more efficiently or install it later. Once the basic setup is done, we need to go to WooCommerce settings page. First, let's click the Shipping tab and set up shipping information for different locations. So here, first, we need to set up shipping zones or shipping regions, like local city area limits or country, or a separate larger zone like North America or Europe zone or Asian zone. In this video, I will set up only two zones. First, shipping zone, we can set it up for United States, and the shipping rate we can select as free delivery. Next, we have location not covered by the United States zone. Here, we can set up the shipping at flat rate, shipping across the globe except USA. Next, we can add PayPal as our payment gateway here. And next, click Setup to add our PayPal email to integrate PayPal payment gateway. We can go to the product page and verify the PayPal payment gateway is set up on the product page. Let's initiate a purchase here and follow the process to view how the customer experiences the checkout page setup along with the PayPal payment gateway setup. And the PayPal payment gateway works just the way it is intended to, successfully. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment and share the video if it was helpful. And look out for more videos like this. Thank you.